So I've been trying to do, as Jess says, it's been 2 weeks, tried to write 2 new songs. I had my 2 songs picked out. I generally try to do my songwriting from prompts. I have a series of friends who will give me a phrase, and I'm committed to write a song based on that phrase. And I discovered that my songs tend to be one of 3 predictable categories. One is, you're gone and I'm sad. The other is, like, you're coming back or I'm getting to see you, right? And the third one is fruit-related sexual innuendo. And one of the 4 basic food groups. So I had my 2 songs picked out, except last Tuesday, my songwriting buddies dropped the prompt on me, a jar of cinnamon. You know where this is going. You just squeeze that jar of cinnamon and give a little shake. Ease that sugar off the shelf. Get me thinking about the cake. We don't get all hot and bothered, 'cause we know just what it takes. You like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. Well, I get up Monday morning, and no, I never shirk. I'd like a taste of honey, but I got to get to work. I save it up for Tuesday, Wednesday just the same. Make it for weekend, you know I'll go insane. So you just squeeze a little lovin' on, and give it all a shake. Gotta stir that sugar up, you know it's all about the cake. We don't get all hot and bothered, 'cause we both know what it takes. You like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. Well, I know you got your recipes, your sugar and your spice. You know just how to mix it up and make it come out nice. Pour into the pan, you shouldn't be surprised. You put some lovin' in the oven and you know it's gonna rise as you just squeeze that jar of cinnamon and give a little shake. Slather all that frosting on, you know that's never a mistake. We don't get hot and bothered, 'cause we both know what it takes. You like cooking in the kitchen, baby, and I love to watch you bake. Thank you for working with me through that.